AP Saigon Petro Joint Stock Company. Ho Chi Minh City Petroleum Single Member Limited Liability Company, under the management of Ho Chi Minh City Committee Office, was founded in 1986 as Ho Chi Minh City Petroleum Processing Joint Venture Factory. Throughout 32 years of establishment and development, with a team of over 800 officials and employees, Saigon Petro has affirmed its leading position and brand reputation in the Vietnamese market. Saigon Petro's main businesses include import and export of petroleum, gas, liquefied gas, lubricants and greases, demonstrating its role as a major oil and petrol distributor in Vietnam. These trading activities have been the foundation for crucial breakthroughs, helping to build AP Saigon Petro into a robust company as it is today. The company was founded in 2008, with the largest shareholder being Ho Chi Minh City Petroleum Single Member Limited Liability Company, known as Saigon Petro. AP Vietnam Holdings Private Limited, one of the biggest lubricant producing and trading companies in Singapore, and Chum Un Manufacturing Trading Industry Company Limited. AP Saigon Petro specialises in manufacturing and trading lubricant products under the brands of Saigon Petro, AP Oil, Sino and Polaris. The company produces over 10 million litres of lubricant per year and distributes through an extensive system covering 63 Vietnamese provinces, as well as exporting to the Cambodian market. AP Saigon Petro Joint Stock Company owns Cat Lai Lubricant Plant located in Cat Lai Industrial Zone, next to Route 25B of Saigon Newport. The factory, covering an area of 15,000 square metres, has its own wharf system on Dom Nai River, which enables the import of raw materials directly from major partners around the world. The capacity reaches 25,000 tonnes per year, accredited in accordance with Quality Management Standard ISO 9001-2015, offering more than 500 types of lubricants, from common oils for engines to specialised lubricants for complex industrial machinery. We strive towards top quality products at reasonable prices for every customer. AP Saigon Petro Joint Stock Company considers quality, innovation, development, pioneering as the guiding principle of business operations. In 2010, the company achieved ISO 9001-2008 certification, and in 2018 achieved both ISO 9001-2015 certification and the title of Vietnam's leading brand, Gold Product, Gold Service. In addition, there were major events of social responsibility, such as the signing ceremony of the Comprehensive Cooperation Agreement with Ho Chi Minh City University of Industry, a partnership with Car Care in 2018, and commitment to free of charge oil change services for students and teachers at Ho Chi Minh City University of Industry. This is the evidence for our relentless efforts to offer the best quality products to our customers. Following the business motto of quality, innovation, development, pioneering, AP Saigon Petro Joint Stock Company always puts quality assurance as its top priority. High quality base oil, imported from major oil and gas corporations such as ExxonMobil, the United States, BP, the United Kingdom, Shell, the Netherlands, and Petronas, Malaysia. High-quality additives provided by globally reputed additive manufacturing companies such as BASF, Lubrizol, Afton, Infineum, Ciba, Chevron, Oronite, Croda, and Additive Chemi Lua. Packaging and labelling provided by reputable companies in Vietnam, which ensures safety, quality, quantity and price. Constant upgrade in industrial infrastructure, accessing and utilising the latest equipment, processes, systems and production technologies. Focused development of a professional workforce with extensive experience, expertise and accreditation. With the mission of continuous innovation to bring true values to employees, customers, shareholders and society, AP Saigon Petro Joint Stock Company strives to become the leading lubricant producer in Vietnam and Southeast Asia.